Today I will show you how to cook a yummy beef stew meat and rice recipe. Sawadee everyone, I'm Nin. Welcome to another Thursday recipe. If it's your first time here and you want to learn how to cook Thai recipes, Thai cuisine, and discover Thai food, restaurant, and street food, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell to make sure you don't miss any recipe. So today I am going to cook beef stew and I will serve with rice, but you can serve with noodles if you prefer. In Thai, beef stew is เนื้อตุ๋น Okay, are you ready? Intro! I will start with white radish. Now, onion and galangal. Now I am going to cut the meat and then I will cook everything. Now I will cook everything together, but before I will add dry and fresh spices in the cooking bag, cooking towel. Yeah, I don't know what the name. Can you tell me in the comments? At the beginning of the cooking, we should remove the foam and add seasoning. For the white radish, if you like to eat it soft and tender, I recommend you to add it now. But if you want to have some crunchy, you add it later. And now, let it cook for 3 hours. It's ready! 3 hours have passed and it's raining. But anyway, let's get started. Remove the bag. And be careful, it's very hot.
Slow. Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
You have to try.
Of course.
Very
Why
tender.
do you think I'm here? Huh? I'm here to try. Let's try.
No need fork.
No need teeth. It's just melting in my mouth. Some radish, rice.
How was it?
Yeah, even the white radish, the fact, as you said, that you put it in the beginning of the
at the
cooking.
beginning, yes.
And what's that?
This one is my homemade chili flakes. Yeah, it's very spicy. A little bit. Like this. A little bit, honey. I didn't add a lot. I think for me it's even better to eat with the chili flakes.
I think I prefer without. I like to eat spicy, but for this one, the meat is so good, so juicy, so tasty. For my taste, the chili flakes just ruin it a bit. So I think I prefer without.
Honey, do you know who are Mary's, Colin, and Norbert?
Not sure.
They are my patrons for the month of April. Thanks a lot. Because of you guys, then I can make a good recipe and buy the ingredients to make it more recipes. Thank you very much. As always, don't forget to subscribe. It's free.
It's free.
Leave us a comment
And
chop that like button. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
See you
next time.
next time. See you next time.
Yep.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye.
Bye.
I will eat more.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
You take it.
Oh no, that's mine.